landscaping problems are so frustrating. I was tired of my yard looking bad in all the same old spots. And don't even get me started on the water bills. I like my yard guys. They handle the mowing, blowing, and edging really well. They're friendly and they work hard, but I was losing plants and they didn't really know why. I shopped around but got 5 different answers from 5 different contractors. What do you do? I was spending more time looking for answers than I was able to spend enjoying my yard. I was tired of losing time, money, and plants. And then I found Plant. Plant understands horticulture, irrigation, and agronomy. Plant provides the plan so you can keep your yard guys and get the results you've been looking for. Our yard and the water bills have never looked better. Get a plan, get results, get Plant.
Plant. Our plan. Your team. The results you've been looking for.